Alright guys, I made my wooden boat here, and I have to say it is very nice. Some nice varnish on it. I made this in Selsker College with my school, and I have to say my woodwork teacher was very surprised. If you guys like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're allowed. And this is only my first wood that I've made in carpentry work. My first wooden object product that I made, and it's easy. You should start making them as a beginner, and then when you're an expert, you can make some other wooden products and projects like doors and stairs, ceilings, anything like that. You have to be an expert to do that. It's very hard, including wooden benches and chairs. Right. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.